Hello students, this is Vandrata from Central Global School. Today we are going to discuss our chapter 12, that is our neighborhood. See, before this we have already done with our chapters for assessment 2, and we have done the revisions also. So I hope you all are understood the chapter and you have revised them as well. What is important, whatever you are going to learn, you have to use your book because everything is coming from the book. As well as the question and answers or the exercise given in your book, do the revisions for that also. A part of the revision, you have to do writing exercise also. So daily you should write one page Hindi and English. Now I'm going to explain you chapter 12, that is our neighborhood. What is in this chapter about your neighborhood? Like the surrounding where you live, the people who are living next to you, or you are living next to them. So that is called the neighborhood. In that, the market area, the post office, police station, hospital, or the schools, they all are come in your neighborhood if they are surrounds you. One more thing I would like to explain you here that we are going to learn in this chapter that we should clean our surrounding. Why? Because it is very important to maintain the hygiene of our surrounding because germs can grow if your surrounding is not hygiene and you may fall sick. So now let's start with the book. As here in this picture you can see that what we have to learn in this chapter about the concept of neighborhood and community. Then about the features of a map, how to use it, how can you make a map. Thereafter, then we will learn about how to take care of the neighborhood. So I think now you know what is the meaning of neighborhood. Okay. So let's begin with the chapter. See, all of us live in a neighborhood. Absolutely. In our surrounding, there are different types of houses, roads for traveling, markets for our different needs, a proper drainage system, parks, school, and other amenities. So that makes your neighborhood. Now, let's talk about particular neighborhood. The people living with us in our neighborhood, they are our neighbors, and together we form a community. That means your neighbor and you join together form a community. तो कम्युनिटी का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? एक समूह, समाज, है ना. बोला जाता है ना कि मनुष्य एक सामाजिक प्राणी है या ह्यूमन इज अ सोशल एनिमल. In the same way, we should keep our neighborhood clean and green. Okay? How can you make your surrounding or the neighborhood? As you can see, here it is written, the municipal authorities ensure the cleanliness of a neighborhood. So, do you know what is a municipal authority? See, this is an authority that takes care of the cleanliness of a society. So we should help them by arranging for proper disposal of waste products. We should not throw the waste or the garbage here and there or anywhere because it will raise their work and they will not be able to clean the surrounding. Okay? and we should make an attempt to reduce the quantity of waste products by reusing the things that we are planning to throw away. जैसे कि आप मार्केट जाते हो, if you are going to the market and you are purchasing anything like vegetables or the grocery, so the shopkeeper will give you the polythene bag, so you can reuse them, na? We should reuse them so that the quantity of waste product. Eco-friendly products are biodegradable. Eco-friendly means जो आपके environment को नुकसान ना पहुँचाएं. They are called eco-friendly. And non-biodegradable products are those they can use, they can take more and more time. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लेंगे वो डिग्रेड होने में. लाइक पॉलीथीन, इसको बहुत साल लग जाते हैं डिग्रेड होने में. ठीक है, तो वी शुड ट्राई टू यूज़ बायोडिग्रेडेबल गुड्स और द प्रोडक्ट्स और द सब्सटेंसेस to keep our neighborhood clean and green. Here in this picture you can see the colorful picture is showing the biodegradable products waste like vegetable and fruit peels, and the right hand side it is showing the colorful white bottles with the colorful caps, that they are plastic bottles and they are called non biodegradable waste, like plastic bottles, plastic polythene bags, थर्माकोल. आपको पता है थर्माकोल पे प्रोजेक्ट बनाना हम लोगों ने क्यों बंद कर दिया? वाई वी आर यूजिंग A4 शीट फॉर मेकिंग आवर प्रोजेक्ट्स? बिकॉज थर्माकोल इज़ ऑल्सो अ नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्रोडक्ट, तो उसे भी डिग्रेड होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है इसी, और वो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म पहुंचाता है. इस वजह से हम लोगों ने उसे यूज़ करना बंद कर दिया है. तो बच्चों, आज हम लोगों ने इस चैप्टर में क्या क्या सीखा है कि हाउ टू कीप आवर सराउंडिंग क्लीन, हाउ कैन वी हेल्प द म्यूनिसिपल अथॉरिटीज़, एंड हाउ कैन वी अरेंज the proper disposal of waste products and reduce the quantity of waste products. How can we reuse the things that we are planning to throw away, है ना? बताया ना भी मैंने, ओल्ड बॉक्सेस यूज़ करना है जिसमें. ठीक है, रिसाइकल मेथड. तो आपने यहाँ पे क्या क्या देखा? रिड्यूस, रीयूज़ एंड रिसाइकल. So we are calling them 3 R's. RS, that is 3 R's. 1 R stands for reuse, then second one is reduce, and the third one for recycled. And अभी आपको ये मम्मी लोगों से भी कहना है और आपको स्प्रेड करना है मैसेज सोसाइटी में कि यूज़ मोर बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्रोडक्ट्स टू मेक योर सराउंडिंग नीट एंड क्लीन. In the next video, we will discuss something different from the cleanliness. Okay? और जो नेबरहुड का नाम दिया गया इस चैप्टर को, क्यों दिया गया आपको पता है? ताकि आपके आसपास की चीज़ें आपको समझने में इजी हो, आप हर चीज़ को समझ सकें. और आज है हिंदी दिवस, दैट इज़ वाई आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू इन हिंदी एज वेल. तो हिंदी दिवस आप लोग सेलिब्रेट कीजिए, बिकॉज हिंदी इज़ आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज. ओके, अब देखें इस पिक्चर में और क्या क्या दिख रहा है आपको. मुझे तो फ्रूट्स भी दिख रहे हैं, वेजिटेबल के पील्स दिख रहे हैं, और जो सेकेंड वाला पिक्चर है उसमें प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स दिखा रहा है. लेकिन आप इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने घर से एक टेबल बना सकते हो जिसमें आप खुद ही डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हो, डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हो दैट what are biodegradable waste and what are non biodegradable waste. Okay, so now that is your responsibility to make your surrounding neat and clean and green as well. अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे फाइंडिंग आवर वे इन द नेबरहुड, यानी आपको आपके घर के आसपास या किसी नेबरहुड, आपके नेबरहुड में किसी जगह जाना है तो आप कैसे अपना रास्ता ढूंढोगे। अभी तो आजकल मोबाइल में गूगल मैप आता है, तो उसे भी यूज़ करने के लिए आपको सिंबल्स को जानना आना चाहिए। आप इस पिक्चर में देखो, एक लड़की है और एक रास्ता बना है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है बेटा, तो आप इसको ज़रूर से एक बार बुक रीड करना एंड लिखने की प्रैक्टिस डेली करना है आपको, ठीक है, सो दैट यू कैन नॉट फॉरगेट हाउ टू राइट फास्ट एंड नीट एंड क्लीन विथ करेक्ट स्पेलिंग anything and we will learn how to read a map, directions, scales, colors, sign and symbols on maps. These all the things we are going to discuss in the next video. So be prepared and finish the first part of this video by watching, and when you are sitting for watching this video, sit with your book and see the things I have shown you in the picture. And it is very important to read loudly so that your pronunciation can be right. Okay, then we will discuss some question and answers, and I'll tell you how to make your own map and how can you symbolize it for recognition of different places. Okay, then we will discuss question and answer and the exercises for this chapter. So read the book thoroughly.